Google Pixel 5 and Pixel 5 XL full specifications are finally here. So what's up guys, and welcome to our new video about the Google Pixel 5 and 5 XL. As the Google Pixel 5 and Pixel 5 XL are going to be launched in couple of months, we are getting tons of leaks and information about their specifications. So in this video, we're gonna talk about everything we know about the Google Pixel 5 and Pixel 5 XL. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. So first of all, we will talk about the Pixel 5 and then we will jump to Pixel 5 XL. The Google Pixel 5 will have 6.1 inches OLED display with 1080 by 2280 pixels and 19:9 aspect ratio and 414 ppi pixel density. And as said by 91 Mobiles, the Pixel 5 will be powered by Snapdragon 765 chipset and will have 6GB RAM. It will feature 64GB inbuilt storage and no expandable memory, which is quite disappointing. Talking about the camera, the Pixel 5 will consist of dual camera setup which provides 16 megapixel primary camera and 60 megapixel of ultra wide or wide angle camera lens. Being said that, it also provides optimal image stabilization which reduces blurring associated with the motion of a camera or other imaging device during exposure. According to 91 Mobiles, the Google Pixel 5 is powered by 3500 mAh non-replaceable battery with wireless charging as well as quick charging support. We also heard a rumor that the Pixel 5 will have 5G support. Talking about the price, the Pixel 5 is rumored to cost $799 and the launch date of this phone is delayed like the Pixel 4a, which was also rumored to release in the month of June. Postponing the launch date of the Pixel 5 devices does make sense because majority of countries are facing lockdown and people are facing a lot of problems to their financial status due to this pandemic. Now let's talk about the Pixel 5 XL. The device will have 6.3 inches OLED display with 552 ppi pixel density and 1440 by 2160 pixels. The Pixel 5 XL is expected to have triple camera setup which consists 16 megapixel primary camera, 16 megapixel of wide angle or ultra wide angle and 12 megapixel of telephoto camera, which are more than enough to capture great photos. And as same as the Google Pixel 5, it will also feature 13 megapixel of selfie camera. Talking about the processor, the Pixel 5 XL will also be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset like the Pixel 5. Being said that, the Pixel 5 XL will be powered by 4000 mAh battery, which is notable jump from 3500 mAh battery of Pixel 5. I know you guys have a big question that why the Google is using the Snapdragon 765 or 765G instead of using the top Snapdragon chipset, that is obviously the 865 chipset. It's all because the 865 doesn't have a 5G modem built in. Yes, you heard me right that the Snapdragon 865 have no 5G modem built in, but the 765, which is likely to be powered in Google Pixel 5 and 5 XL, does have the integrated modem that is X52, which is slower than the X55, but it goes up to 3.7 GB per second, which is also super fast. So it means the Google Pixel 5 and Pixel 5 XL are planning to surprise their consumers with great features in lower price. So that's all we know about the Google Pixel 5 and Pixel 5 XL, and as always, we all know that there is still more to come. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.